Hello, what's up? Josh here. Welcome back to another video. Sorry, I haven't made so much videos cause my yaya doesn't let me allow to make me videos. See, here's my yaya. Say hi. So, here we are in my house. This is my dad's. This is my dad's worker. She works for my dad cause my dad's sick. Say hi. I'm gonna upload this in YouTube. Hi.
Hi.
Say, okay. Then okay. Let's explore. Oh yeah. One more thing in my update in my house. Wait guys, wait. Surprise! I have birds. Say hi to my birds. Oh, they're scared. It's okay, birds. Just say hi to YouTube. Okay, anyway. So, I brought you here, guys, to have a little time with me, okay? My description below. I'll type it in the description below. So, anyway, it's because I wanted to talk to you because I haven't made lots of YouTube videos for a week, and I want to say sorry guys. I'll not make videos for like a year, but I'll still make videos, yeah. So it's okay. Or not a year, or like after days, okay? So bye. Tanda.